Who's snoring? You snoring, Miss Vera? You snoring, Mr. Wise? That's Vera. That's Vera snoring. Look at Mr. Wise sleeping. Sleeping in front of the fire.